Kathapura is a novel written by Raja Rao in 1938. It was set in early 1920. It has political milieu, social milieu, religious milieu, and its characters are Murthy, an educated man. He is the person who brings the real meaning of freedom to his village. He made a national committee into his own village. He is a religious man. In order to unite all religions, he went to Perira house. He was excommunicated from his village. He was arrested 2 times and jailed. In order to follow Mahatma Gandhi, he abandoned foreign clothes and starts to wear khadi. He advises people to spin charkha. He went to door, even Perora's house. He drank milk there. He is considered as small mountain. Once he had half sunken shivling. He advised people he was poised, concentrating. Village plus its people are the hero of this novel. Ratna, a widow, she started Swam Sevika Sangh to fight against British rules. She lays emphasis on charkha spinning to make clothes their own. Be self-independent. She is also a freedom fighter in novel. She was educated, so in the absence of Hari Katha, she read newspaper and other things to make aware of news of city to the villagers. After arresting Murthy, she carried on the movement, so she sent to the jail. Now, Patel Range Goda, a government servant, his work is to collect revenue. He is a supporter of Murthy and Congress committee. Man of power in village, honest, sympathetic, or we can say in he is a noble man. In fact, he is a patriot man. People of the village called him the tiger of the village because he has power. Bhatta, he is Brahman and government agent and hypocrite by nature. He charged high rate of interest. Through him, the novelist shows the hidden hypocrisy of Hindu. He is first person. He plays a role of villain and he opposes the committee. He leaks the information of this committee. A very greedy person, lust of money compels him to marry a baby whose father gave 1000 money and some land. Bade Khan, a policeman, a Muslim representative of British company, came here to suppress the movement and make law and order. He is also villain, or we can say villain. The Swami, he lives a life of saint in city. He excommunicated Murthy. He is a conservative person, a British agent. He opposes Gandhi's movement. Hunter Sahib, owner of coffee estate. He is a symbol of British Empire. Narsamma, a widow and mother to Murthy. The fear of his son's excommunication, the reason of her death. She strictly denies her son not to visit Pereira's house. She is very loving and caring mother but class ridden. Venkamma, waterfall Venkamma, because she is very talkative and jealous person. She wants to take revenge upon Murthy. Rangamma, she is an educated and wise lady. She keeps acquainted all with the happening that are taken place in city. and across the world. She is also a freedom fighter. Style of the novel is, in place of using Babu English, novelist used Indian English. He used Kannada plus Hindi idioms. He wrote the story of crow and sparrow. Indian English flavor of Hindi plus vernacular language. Indian sensibilities comes out from this. Sathal Puran, history of Kanthapura is told by the novelist. Theme: Gandhi's movement and his satyagraha against British rule, exploitation of coffee estate, division of people or division of society according to their caste, transformation of orthodox people into patriot. Structure is complex. Three states are woven together: social plus religion plus political. Title. Title is very suggestive related to its people. Kanthapura is a place name.